Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We're at another restaurant here in Mal Pais, and it's called 109 because there's 109 stairs you're gonna climb up to get to it, but you do get an awesome view of the ocean and the sunset.
We are going to deserve a drink when we get to the top.
Yes.
We're feeling a little hot and tired,
Yeah.
but we're going to accomplish these stairs
Yes.
and then we're gonna have a nice cold drink.
Yeah, so this restaurant did just open, and yeah, you guys should come check it out when you're in Mal Pais or Santa Teresa or in the area. It's really easy to find. It is on Google Maps. So yeah, we're gonna head up to the stairs and let you know what it looks like at the top. All right, so we just got up here and you can see the view is amazing. The sun is close to setting. You guys will get to see that, don't worry. Just gonna quickly go over the menu pop up here. So they have a tapas menu with a bunch of different things like roasted bone marrow, lobster roll, tacos, there's a burger, Caesar salad, and then they got a sushi menu as well, so a bunch of different rolls you can get. So yeah, it's pretty diverse having that sushi option and then having like burgers and stuff. And Jamie just got here, he's go have a bath now. Yeah, those 109 stairs doesn't sound like a lot. You do get quite warm coming up. So that's a good way to sell drinks, I guess, right? So speaking of that, we're actually gonna order a cocktail now, and yeah, we'll let you guys see the sunset. All right, so we ordered the bone marrow to start. Looks really good. We actually got quite a bit. Yeah. So you got the little crostini here. Take a little scoop of the bone marrow.
That's weird.
Weird? The dog won't though. So good, like buttery. All right. Try another piece. So you can see it on the crostini there. Got such good flavor too with the herbs on there. And it's a nice contrast with the crusty crostini and then the softness of the bone marrow. So yeah, this is a definite recommend when you come here. Shareable plate for sure because of the size of it. So yeah, a few of you could have it. We're gonna devour this now. And when you can't get the rest out with a fork, you gotta just scrape it in your mouth. The size of that, it's like a funnel of bone marrow. Right, so the other thing they do here is sushi. They have that big sushi list like you saw. We're not gonna order any, we wanna showcase the tapas menu, but JC, the owner, just gave us one of his special rolls that he came up with, which is the JC roll. It's got salmon, avocado, and sesame seeds on it. Oh, good. It's warm too. It's a warm roll. Yeah, it brings out the seaweed. They do a light fry on it, so it brings out that seaweed flavor a bit more. So it's not on the menu, but he said if you ask for the JC roll, they'll make it for you. So that was really good. All right, so the boys ordered the, what was it, a 3 cheese?
Triple
triple grilled cheese. So it's got 3 cheeses on it, on sourdough. Look at that! Look at that crisp on it. Look at all that cheese.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a proper grilled cheese.
So good. Let me know. Let me know if you need anything else. Thank you so much.
Got so much cheese flavor in it. That's a rich grilled cheese. If you're a grilled cheese lover, get this one. So this is the roasted camembert, and they give you the whole wheel. It's like, wow. I thought it was gonna be like a few pieces or something. Yeah, it's definitely a cheese coma. So I'm gonna cut into this, let you know how it is. So gooey. All right. Tastes like camembert. Yeah, it's really good. It's a good product of camembert too. Sometimes you get it, there's no flavor. This has a lot of flavor. So if you like eating a wheel of cheese to yourself or 4 of you, then definitely order this to start. Shayna's in cheese heaven right now. So it has a garlicky flavor to it as well. Yeah. Yeah, roasted garlic and then some herbs on it. Yeah. I'm personally not a huge camembert fan, but this is actually a really good one. Like I said, it has more flavor. Sometimes you get it and there's like no flavor at all. You might as well just eat mozzarella. But yeah, Shayna's like, her eyes are just like, oh, so good. Here, go. Jamie says he doesn't really like camembert either, but now he's going in again to get more. So, but that's a good portion size for what you get. It's amazing. Yeah, that you get that much. I was expecting like a little wheel, you know, that we could share, but no, this is like a share thing for like 4 people for sure. Yeah. Yeah, if you're a cheese lover, definitely get that. All right, so the main event has shown up, the Tomahawk Steak. Okay, I gotta take a bite off the bone like this.
Yeah.
There.
Well, no, you do it.
Savage.
Oh,
This is savage.
so good, so tender. Not much bone marrow, but yeah. Nice, seasoned very well, yeah, for sure. I'm gonna try a piece of the actual steak. All right, so there you go. Nice and tender. You can see it like pulling apart. So good. Yeah. Jamie and Shane are like,
Truly?
we're gonna take my time.
Yeah, just go really slow, okay?
You guys should try this sometime. It's really
make
good.
us suffer.
No, this is awesome, and it's not a bad price on this either. So if you're a steak lover, definitely get this. I swear we're gonna have gout after this evening because we've had bone marrow, we've had camembert cheese, we've had this. What else we have? Oh, the grilled cheese was like 3 cheeses. Like such a rich meal.
All the meat last night.
And all the we had meat last night too. So it's a combination of everything. But yeah, the food here is really amazing. You guys won't be disappointed. Come for the sunset. It was awesome as you saw, and the atmosphere is really nice. I got a DJ going right now. The ambiance is nice as well with the lighting and stuff like that. So definitely a cool place to come as a date, as a family, friends, whatever. It's got a good feel here. And yes, Arlo, it is better than the keg. All right, so we just finished up here at 109. And now we gotta walk down those stairs after eating all that food. But it worked it off that way. So yeah, what an amazing experience up here. Catching sunset like that. It sets right in the ocean. You can see it right from there like you saw. So definitely worth coming for sunset for sure. I mean, it's nice up here right now too. There's a breeze, so it's a little more humid right now. But with that breeze coming off the ocean up here, it's awesome. So very comfortable. They also have like some couches here. The boys are sitting there on their phones hanging out. And yeah, I just want to thank JC for inviting us up here. Thank you. It was awesome. Thanks for recommending the food that we got, as well as sharing your special roll that everybody saw. So yeah, thanks again for that. And yeah, if you guys are in Santa Teresa, Mal Pais, anywhere in between, up in the hills, whatever, definitely make a note to come stop at 109 and try their food and experience the atmosphere here. It's cool because it's like, yeah, there's people on dates. There's like us hanging out with friends. He was hanging out with friends. It's just a cool atmosphere up here. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.